In this video I will show you how you can export only a few selected screens from your project in inVision. So in this project we have 12 screens and we only want to show and share just a few of them. In this case, screen number 1, 2 and 6. Now, as you can see at the very bottom, in the toolbar, you can see that 3 screens are selected. And if you click on the share icon at the middle, you can see that you're going to share only the 3 selected screens. So you can do that by either sharing with the private URL or via email or SMS. Now, another great thing about inVision is that you can actually select just a section in particular. Now, actually, let's delete this one. And you can also select all of them by clicking on this icon over here. And if you click on it again, you're going to deselect all of them. Now, the great thing about this is that let's say that you have a client project, but you have more screens that possibly you don't want to share with them, or even if you have a project in which the screens are connected with different hotspots that connect to other ones. By doing this, the hotspots will link to screens that want to be seen. So it's a great way to really give a selected option to a client in which they don't see the entire project. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you.